this moment, the main challenge is high prices of energy, for sure. We are following all the time the prices, but the price is increasing, and that's the reason that a lot of steel plants in this moment stop the production in Europe. What is not good in this moment, but they cannot cover the high price of energy, and if you look from the profitability side, you must do something, because if Europe will not react, there will be not any more competitors in steel industry, because in the other area of the world the prices are much lower. Main source is electricity and natural gas. For the melting process is main source electricity. Then for heating, main source is earth gas. We use also a lot of steam in the steel industry for vacuum stations, but also steam is produced with earth gas, that everything is connected. In steel industries, we have two technologies. First technology is production of steel from the iron ore and pig iron, and this is production with very high CO2 emissions. The second technology is production from the scrap, and production of the scrap there is very low emissions of CO2. Our steel plants, we are 100% producer of scrap through the electro arc furnace, and if the average in Europe is 1,850 kilo per CO2 per ton of crude steel, in our group we have approximately 386 kilos CO2 per ton of crude steel. That means that much less we are producing CO2 because we have this technology with cycling of scrap. Yeah, in steel industry we have a lot of excess heat. In all processes we cooling down something, we are warming up, and in the past we try to find a solution how to use this excess heat, because if you don't use this excess heat going to the air. What this means for the steel industry, this means that that with this excess industry we can replace the earth gas on the heating systems, for example, local heating systems. Before we used for the local heating systems earth gas, now we use this excess heat. In other way, we use this excess heat also in the processes, mainly in the heating processes, and this at the end also means to decrease the consumption of earth gas. Water is the main source for cooling down. In every equipment, every process, we need water, because if you don't cool this equipment, it will immediately broken down. You can imagine that we have in the furnace more than 1,500 degrees. In the last period, we mainly making closed cooling systems. That means that we don't lose water, and we don't use fresh water, because if you will use complete fresh water, it will be very high consumption. So these cooling systems are also the source for excess energy, because when you're cooling down, there is some energy coming out, and if we can catch this, that will be the next good solution.